Okay, like I said, this is where I place my sewing machines for right now. We're still working out the details as we move stuff around. I tried to do an outside pull, and that didn't quite work with this. So I had to unravel everything I've done and place the yarn I'm trying to cake away from the winder. It's all about balance and angles. So hopefully this will work. Okay. This through here. Then through the one on the bottom. Get thread through. Then through the slits. Do a little bit of tail. Tighten up the tension a little. I think this way. There. And it's done. Nice fat cake. Slide this off. Have this ready. Go on the inside. figure out another way to do this as I go. Probably can wrap this around though, and it'd be better, but that's good enough. There we have it. And usually when I do the label, I still have it. Either if I don't have it, I'll make a label. If I have a label, stick it in the middle. So that way I know what's on the ball. It's pretty neat. Big old cake. Goodness. Okay. Please remember to like and subscribe. I would love to have you as part of my Knothead crew. So please subscribe. And leave a like. I would appreciate that also. If you do decide to subscribe, be sure and hit the notification bell so that you can be alerted on what I'm uploading next. You all keep sweet. God bless you. Hugs and peace out.